Hi, I'm Vasco. Thank you very much for watching this arrangement. I hope you enjoyed it. If you need help learning this, check out here. This is my website where you have the interactive tabs, the printable tabs, and also a video where I'm explaining bar by bar exactly what I'm doing. It's an extended version of the video with more detailed explanation. So all of this is available on my website. Check it out, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.